Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. Today we are going to explore one of those very, very important questions that nobody ever asks and nobody really cares about the answer, but that has never stopped me before. Today we are going to see, is Mia a VSCO girl? Insert thinky face here. Well, let's see. First up, Mia would be the very, very first person to get straight out there and hashtag save the turtles. So I reckon this is an excellent start for her being a VSCO girl. But she's missing a lot of the attributes that a VSCO girl is supposed to have. So let's explore them one at a time today, shall we? First up, her shoes are totally wrong. Sneakers aren't going to work. She's going to be a VSCO girl. So she's going to need some Birkenstocks so that she can go out and do all that beach cleaning. Apparently Birkenstock is the thing. So let's find her. Let's see what choices we got. These ones, yep, they're Lego Birkenstocks. Perfect. Right, so, shirt. All right, so she needs an oversized t-shirt. Impossible. It's impossible in Lego. You can't do that. I mean, the t-shirts are all tight-fitting. So we're going to go with option number 2 for VSCO girls. We are going to go with a little crop top. Thankfully, we have plenty of these choices for the Lego mini dolls. So let's choose a nice swimwear one, which is going to go from the beach to nice casual wear. She's also wearing scrunchies on her wrist. She's ready to go, and she has got her shell necklace. So she's currently on point to being the perfect VSCO girl, but she could probably do with her head. So how about we return her head, her body, and her hair. So next thing we need was, she's gonna need a messy bun and a scrunchie. Can't do it. I can't do it. I love the high ponytail. High ponytail totally works. Scrunchie I can't do though. So I tried to make a scrunchie. She looked ridiculous. So she's just gonna use one of these bows. Or, even more sensible, if she's going to be spending time out on the beach, she needs sunglasses. This is really, really important, protecting her eyes. So not only is she totally as cute as pie, but she is also practical. A practical VSCO girl. Right, next up, she needs the all-important backpack. And she's not going to bother with a cancan. I can't pronounce it. Is it cancan? Cancan backpack. Because a backpack is a backpack. It's a pack for your back. As long as it fits all your stuff, you don't need to spend a lot of money on a fancy brand, as long as it carries all your stuff. Speaking of stuff, she is also going to need a water bottle because we don't want all those extra plastic bottles polluting the earth. So reusable bottle it is. Once again, not actually going to bother with a hydro flask because the money that she saves on using a generic brand water bottle, she can save that money and spend it on saving the turtles. See? Practical VSCO girl, told you. Okay, so next, she needs her own personal metal straw. Excellent, less plastic going into the oceans being eaten and sniffed up by turtles. So here is her metal straw. It is a little bit large, and I don't know why we would want to put in the water bottle because you can just drink the water bottle with your lips. So seriously, why do you even need a straw? So maybe we should just move the metal straw out of the way because you got lips. Lips are perfect for drinking with. Why did I never think of this before? It's revelationary. Right. Okay. Now, she definitely needs her phone because without her phone, she can't hashtag save the turtles. Because without a phone, she can't write hashtag save the turtles. And if she doesn't post on Instagram and TikTok when she's actually doing those fantastically beautiful and important things for the environment, then did they ever actually happen? Thinky face again. Now, we are almost there. The last thing she needs is her lip balm. And this lip balm, I think, this is tinted. This is Anti-Oop Pink. Yep, that one's the special VSCO shade. Very important. You can only get it in Burt's Bees and chapstick. So, we have done it, everybody. We have turned Mia into the ultimate VSCO girl. She's got everything she needs, but we're going to remove these turtles because she's going to need a bedroom. She needs somewhere to chill out, some chillax. Do people still say chillax? Do VSCO girls say chillax? I'm gonna guess not. She's gonna need a bedroom to chillax in when she's not saving the turtles, and this one needs to be the perfect bedroom for a VSCO girl. So she's gonna need somewhere to store her scrunchies. So you're gonna need to join me for the next video and see whether we can build the perfect VSCO girl's bedroom out of Lego. So I will see you for that video very, very soon. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment under the video, give it a big thumbs up, and well, check for the next video because it is up very, very soon. See you soon. Bye. That's a lot of soons. Soon. Very soon. Soony soon. Bye.